So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough of Jarvis.ai and show you all the dashboards, the scripts, just basically do a demo session. So basically Jarvis.ai is a copywriting assistant, right? So the whole goal is to help you create more blog posts, YouTube, more SEO content. There's 50 plus scripts that's going to help you generate more content. So first off, we've got the long form assistant. This is great for blog posts. You can integrate it with Surfer SEO, and this will help you with your organic traffic. Okay, this is what I love. Got some proven copywriting scripts here as well. AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, problem, agitate, solve. You can use these on your Facebook copy, your landing pages, your sales letters, content improvers. Then they break it down as well. So everything from blog posts to creative stories, breaking it down, explaining to a child, sentence expander, so content creator. You can repurpose content as well that you grab off the internet, Facebook ad, headlines, primary text. And what I love is they actually use all of their scripts in their ads. So they're actually using their AI in their ads, right? Even if you're an influencer, you can use this to post captions. What I really love is their YouTube templates as well. So they've got video topic ideas if you're running out, or you can use these as blog ideas as well. They've got video script outlines. Video titles are super catchy as well. And then the video script hook and intro, I use this a lot. And then they've got video description, review responder. So say somebody gives you a review on Trustpilot or Facebook. Here, let's check it out. You can put in their customer review and then it'll pitch back what you should say to them, basically. So I use this a lot. There's so many different businesses you can start from this, right? So Google My Business could be a whole separate business for, say, an SEO marketing agency. That's another way to add more upsells, more money. Amazon product features. This is a starving crowd that needs professional copywriters, and you can just plug away and rewrite content that's not converting. The more you test, the more you'll get a raise. Legitimately, a headline can change 1-2% and could give you crazy amounts of revenue, right? So they've got personal cold email outreach, email subject line, SEO blog posts. You can rewrite your personal bios, features to benefits. There's so many different scripts. I've been using the Pinterest one a lot, as well as the Quora answers. Engaging questions is great for Facebook posts. I use the business and product name to create 2 new blog ideas as well. So I've got a bunch of different documents. I think I've created, probably 24 blog posts so far. I've got a list of different recipes that I'm going to give you as well that's going to help you create content even quicker. If you're on the boss mode plan, it starts at, I want to say it's $119 I'm paying a month, but the amount of content that I'm producing is paying for the $119 a month. And I truly believe even if you have to freelance, you could make $119 and it's worth the money. I think they're undercharging personally by the amount of content you can produce every single day. And this is crazy. So they give you actually some recipes as the Idea Factory. I haven't messed with that. They've got blog posts, rewrite content. Darby's got the perfect nonfiction book, intro and outline, video script blueprints. They keep adding more and more recipes. Recipes are basically just your commands, right? And this will help you create content even quicker. They give you a handful for free, right? So there's a lot of different stuff. Another great feature is they are always improving. So the more you use Jarvis, the more it'll understand your tones and exactly what you are trying to get out of Jarvis. And the better your inputs, the better the content it is. And legitimately, you can write a blog post in 20-25 minutes, go back, edit it. For me, it takes a while, but there's so many different avenues you can take this and apply it to your business. It doesn't matter if you're a freelancer, or solo entrepreneur, influencer, YouTuber. It does not matter. There's a template in here, or there's a template you can use to help you create more content, okay? And I truly believe this is the most revolutionized products on the market right now. So it's only been out about 6 months. And I think, obviously, some people might argue that they don't have the best product or whatever, but I've tried so many different copywriting softwares out there, and I truly believe they've got the best community, and they've got the best intentions of helping everyone that they serve. I can't guarantee anything, but on my end, my whole goal is to help you use this tool, create more content, and create an everlasting business or stream of income with this software. I can't guarantee this is the best product, this is going to change, whatever, but I can guarantee you that I have the best intentions to help you as much as possible. And I think this software, of what I've used over the past 2 months, has helped me 10x the amount of content I've been producing. And I truly believe that it will help you. So I'm in love with this software, and I think this could definitely change your life, your business, and your current situations. And I truly believe if I stay consistent, you stay consistent, in the next 6 to 12 months, you can replace your full-time income. And just the amount of different businesses you can start for $119, it starts off at $29. You can start it off with $29, is ridiculous. So that's my whole rant on Jarvis AI and why I think it's the best platform, especially the community aspect and how connected people are and exactly how they want to help you. And I truly believe in this product, and I think it is the best option for anyone getting started. Especially if you're like me, I was all over the place. I'm not a copywriter. I'm not a great copywriter. I try to be, but it's definitely helped me level up my content, my conversions. It's helped me write more emails. I get anxiety just writing emails. If you've seen any of my emails, they're not amazing or anything, but I'm trying to get better at them. And Jarvis has helped me so much. And I'm just so thankful for this software, this community, and I want to share it with the world. And if you haven't gotten Jarvis yet, do yourself a huge favor, save a bunch of time, save a bunch of money, and click down below. And I want to help you succeed with Jarvis. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.